Yo guys, it's Iceytime again. I have a new things to announce. I'm making an announcement for new things you can do, plus shoutouts, and I will also like to announce that I've created a new beat, and I will like to anybody that I will do a battle with everybody who will send me MP3. If you send me 2 MP3s, it's a battle. If you only send me 1 MP3, then you get a shout out on the channel, and if you send your social media link, I will also give that credit in the description and in the end of the video. If you you need to do either make a video on YouTube and convert it to MP3 and send it to me, or you can record a video file and try to make it MP3 or something like that and send it to me. And then I'll play it on my soundboard, and then I'll give you credit and everything. And to send it to me, you just gotta add this Icebird Japanese symbol, and in Japanese, Chinese or Japanese, I don't remember, but it's just ice. It's just ice you have to type, and then hashtag 1147, and then there you go. Okay, and I'm in the Discord right now because yeah. Let's get on with the first routine, and the only routine for this video. So yeah. Iceytime, you fly like a bird. I'm like a bird. Iceytime, fly like a bird. Iceytime, we fly like all the birds. Custom overloaded. Let's go. Iceytime, we fly like a Ja, ventilet. Iceytime, we fly like bird.